What's up, people? You're welcome to my channel. Today we'll be diving into the exciting world of TasteWP, a free playground for all your WordPress testing needs. So whether you are a developer, a designer, or just curious about creating websites with WordPress, this tutorial is for you. And guess what? I will show you how to set up a professional looking website without spending a dime. So what are we waiting for? Let's get the party started. Hello guys, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from Blast channel. In case you just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload content like this. So this is a particular website you're going to be using for this particular tutorial. I'll be dropping the link to this particular website in the description box below, so to follow along, just check the description box below. You see the link and click on it and follow along with this particular tutorial. Promise everything is going to be free, so you can just click here to just set it up without even having to sign up an account. But I'll prefer you to just sign up an account. You can just click on the sign up and create an account, or you can just click on login. Since I've already signed up, so I'm just going to log into my account. So just log in. Now this is my account. I already have two sites already created here. Now you can see this one doesn't expire, and why this particular one expires in the next 6 hours. I'll show you how to go about it. So now first thing we are going to be doing is to head over to where we have our create site. We are going to click on create site, and you can see everything here is very easy. This site has made everything very simple for us. So now what you are going to be doing is just to, on this particular site, you are going to choose the WordPress version you want to use. I'll advise you to always choose the one that is stable and secure. So we are going to be making use of the version 6.6, and also the PHP version, same thing, choose the one that is stable and secure. We are going to make use of 6.1, and you can leave all the settings the way it is, and just scroll down a little and come to where you have all this part. Now you can select the particular plugins you want to be pre-installed on your website. So this left part of it is for the plugins, while the right side of it is for the themes. So now we are going to I'll prefer to use this particular theme, and you can choose any other theme you want to make use of, but for this particular tutorial I'm going to make use of this particular theme. Okay, let me just choose generate breast as the theme I want to make use of. So now I'm going to now go ahead to where I have my plugins. I can select the particular plugins I actually want to get. So I can select the particular plugins I actually want to be installed on my website. But for now, I'll leave everything as it is, as default. So now I'm going to now scroll down, and on this particular site, now if you choose a custom name, you can actually leave it blank. But one thing there, if you should leave it blank, it's going to just generate a random name and just give to your site. But I'll advise you to always name your website so that you'll be able to know which one is which at every point in time. So now I'm going to just name this. Let me say, for example, I'm naming this my YouTube. Let me say, for example, I'm naming it my YouTube video. Let me say this is what I'm just naming it. I'm just naming it anything from my head. So I just name it this particular something like this. Now I'm just going to create a premium site, but this you have to pay for it. And one thing about it, once you pay, you don't need to, your site doesn't expire, and it gives you more disk space for you to use on your website. So now what we are going, as I said, we are going to be creating a theme site. So let's just click on create theme site, and one thing is that this will instantly create for you everything without any issue. You can see this is the website, this is your login details you can use for your website. You can either copy it and save it somewhere, or you can just hit on access now. So let me just click on access now. So once you click on access now, it's going to open. You can see it's opening on the new tab. So here's it loading everything for me, and you can see, boom, my website is actually okay. So now let me see how, okay, my site has been successfully created. Let me just refresh here and see. You can see this is how my site actually looks like. So this is, you can see everything is actually set up. If you have ever set up WordPress before, you will notice that this is how your WordPress dashboard actually looks like. This other part you see here is just for the plugin, the site you're using. That's the just notifying you that this your website is going to. So you have about 6 days to actually have this site live. Let me just say about 7. Okay, let me say 7 days, because it's 6 and almost, let me just say you have about 6 days plus. Let me just say, okay, let me just call it 7 days to actually make use of this particular website. So you can see you have a hell lot of time to actually play around with a hell to it your website. If in case, for example, if you were actually working on a site, you can actually work on this site here, and when you are done, you can now migrate it to wherever you want to. Let's just preview how the site even actually looks like. So you can see this is how my site looks like now. Well, you can do anything you want to do, you normally do on your regular website. For example, let me just install a plugin. I'm going to install a plugin and also install a theme. So let's just see how it looks like. So let me just say I'm searching for Elementor. So once I search for Elementor, I can just install it. You can see I can install the Elementor. Then when you're done, I can activate it. I can activate it just like every other thing. You can see it's working perfectly well for us. So now I'm going to go to my themes. I can select any theme I want. I can add new theme. So I'm going to add new theme. So go to add new theme, and I'm going to install, let's say for example, I'm going to install my Astra theme. So let me just scroll down and go to themes. You can see this Astra. I'm going to just click on install, and I'm going to activate the theme. So let's refresh our website to see how it actually looks like. You can see, boom, you can see how it changes. So you can see you can actually play along. You can use this for learning purpose. You can use it for testing purpose. You can use it to do. So it actually save you the stress of maybe going to purchase a host, or making. You can actually be working, like for example, me myself, I actually work. I tend to use this to do my work, and after, when I'm done with my work, I can now migrate it to wherever I want to migrate it to. So that's just, it makes my work for me even easier, so that I don't actually want the client or whosoever I'm creating the website for to actually be seeing what I'm doing beforehand. So actually like finishing whatever I'm doing then before pushing it over. But in case you actually want your client to preview what you're doing, you can just copy this link, the link here, just exclude the WP admin at the end. Just copy this particular link and send to the person. Like for example, I can open this particular link. Let me copy it and open it on an incognito mode, so that you can see that from wherever you are, you can actually preview this website. You can see you can preview this website from wherever you are. You can actually use your phone to actually preview it and see how everything actually looks like. So if you're actually done with your website, you can still, from here, remember I said that you can migrate this website to somewhere else. So you can see you can install your, already is pre-installed because I selected it, but you can actually install it from your backup migration, and after installing it, you can actually create a backup and send it wherever you want to send it to. Actually, I have a video on how to create a backup, an intensive video on how to create a backup using backup migration. I'll drop it the link in the description box below, or you can check the video here so that you get to know how to migrate your website once you're done with it to any platform you want to migrate it to. So, and another thing I will advise you, if you can actually purchase the pro version of this particular design, so that your site doesn't have to expire. And one thing about the pro version, it doesn't expire. You can see your website doesn't expire, and also you have more space. You have up to 20 gigabyte disk space. You can see from what we have here. Let me just close here. Let me refresh. You can see this is the site we just created, my YouTube video. Now you can see that it expires after 6 days, and also you can see that my site expires after 6 days. So you can actually, if you get it approved, your site won't be able to expire. It won't expire. And also your disk space, you can see here we are having as 1 GB. So but I'll be, when you purchase the pro version, you can actually have up to 20 GB of disk space to actually use for your website. So I believe this video might have been helpful. If you find this video helpful, please ensure you like the video and share it to whoever might be interested in this particular video. And also, please, if you're still watching this video and you've not yet considered subscribing to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new videos or content like this. So until next time, bye for now.